Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi.
So guys, welcome back to my channel. And today, I'm gonna present to you my last project. Yeah, this really is the last project of me at IDN. So after I finish this, so my project in IDN is done. But actually, I have another final project. This the English project. So, wait. So, this project we called as portfolio. Yeah, maybe all of you must know about this portfolio means. Yeah, it's like our work and our project. Yeah, that we make into become like one book. Yeah, okay. This is the cover of my portfolio. Now we move to the table of contents or table contents. So in this portfolio, I has 10 contents. The first is my profile. Second is CV or curriculum vitae. The third is game. The fourth is website. The fifth is IoT. The sixth is multimedia, such as like design and many more. After that, we have Android, English project, Diniyah project, and last is my achievement. And this is my profile. Yeah, my name is Jeki Agus Arya Zulfikar. I born at Jakarta, 9 June 2010. Yeah, I'm the second child of my family, and I'm interested to like some design stuff, or also like a bit of coding and some of like legal things. And this is my CV. As you can see here, I have skills, my profile again, after that my number of my contacts. Wait, after that experience, IT mentor, competition, and education. And we move to the game. So the first game is going to be a Scratch. Yeah, as you guys know, if you are the subscriber of my channel, this Scratch video there was a lot when I was 7th grade. Yeah, so from my first project until as I remember, I have 7 projects or 7 game projects in Scratch. Yeah, and for the first, I have Catching Fruit, and this is the explanation. Catching Fruit is a 2D game that the player the player need to catch a fruit. Later the fruit will fall down from the top, and later the player need to catch it with a ball. And for winning, for become the winner of this game, you need to reach 10 points. This, and we next to manners before sleep. Actually, it's not a game. It's like a slide game. Yeah, it's like educational game. So later inside of this game, there are a few manners that we must to do before sleep, like brush and like wudu, like clean our bed, and many more. And next is Take Me Out. Take Me Out game is a game that we need to help our main character on this game. That is the cat. So the cat need to leave a room. And how to leave from that room? We need to collect we need to collect 10 diamonds. Yeah. We need to collect 19 diamonds or 20 diamonds for opening the door, and that door can connect. That door is connect to the next room. So if later our points, our diamond is reach 20, the door is automatic open. And if we touch the door, or maybe like yes, enter the door, we can move to the next level of this game. And later in the second room, there will be a three gifts that we need to open that all of the gifts. And how to open it? We need to like answer three questions. Yes. And later, if you have answered that three question, you can finish this game. Yeah, I mean you become the winner. You won this game. After next, we have Block Breaker. Block Breaker is a game that the main character like a ball, and this ball need to broke some our main character on this game is a ball, and this ball need to break some blocks. And for breaking that blocks, we use pedal for bouncing the ball. Later the ball is attack the blocks. Wait guys, this troubleshoot. Yes. Yeah. So this, for winning this game, we need to destroy or break destroy all of the blocks that appear on this game. So we need to use the ball for destroy all of the blocks on this game, and later we won this game. And the next is Frog Hop. Like the title of this game, the main character of this game is Frog, and what should we do on this game? So we need to help the frog for pass some what we call water hyacinth. Yeah, this is the leaf on this game. There was a few leaf that can help the frog for passing the river or the water. Yeah. So continue. The frog need to pass this river for reach the finish line. Later the frog will jump to the leaf, and if the frog touch the finish line, so you win this game. Yeah. And the next is the Defender. The Defender, this game our main character is like a tank that defend his parameter. Yeah. So later the enemy will appear from the enemy side, and this tank need to protect his base or his parameter. And for winning this game, the tank must kill the boss. And the next is Fruit Ninja. On this game, the main character is ourselves. So later we can use our mouse cursor, or also we can use our body movement for slice the fruit. Yeah. And later if all of the fruit or like we reach 10 points on this game, like we have like slice 10 fruits, later we won this game. And the last is Bomber Cat. So Bomber Cat is a game that the main character is a cat, and this cat need to kill some crabs, and the crabs is our enemies. And later, if the score or all of the crabs get killed by the cat, so later we won this game. Yeah. So maybe that's all of the Scratch games. And now we move to Build Box game. The first is Dino game. As you know, Dino game is a game that usually appear in our browser if our laptop doesn't have any internet. And this Dino game, yeah, we take I take the reference from the Dino game in Google. But the difference with the Google one, I made this Dino game on Buildbox. Yes, and yeah, the main point, the movement after that, the stage, the movement, the obstacle is very similar with the Dino game on Google. And next is jumping cube. Even a jumping cube, this we have a cube, and we need to help the cube for avoid the some obstacle. And later, if we can reach 10 points or we can collect 10 points, later we become the winner. We can win this game. And running ball, similar with the previous game, that jumping cube. The difference is running ball, yeah, our main character is a ball, and even jumping cube, our main character is cube. And even running ball, same, yeah, we need to avoid the obstacles and also collect the points. Next, switching ball. Even switching ball, yeah, same, our main character is a ball, and we also need to avoid obstacle, and we need to collect points. Maybe the difference of that both three games is the platform. The shape of the platform. Both of that games is different. And next is crossing road. In crossing road, our main character or our character is a cube. Yeah. This also same like the previous game, but the different, yeah, only like the platform, yeah. We need to jump to the blue things, and we need to avoid the red. The red things that moving. Okay. Next, we go to the website, and this website, these several websites I made on Google site. So the first I have my personal website. Yeah, personal website is same like a normal personal website. Inside of my website, there will be like my profile, my projects, my video, and many more. And next to the school website, yeah, even school website, yeah, we have like the information of the school, the achievement, and the contact, and also for if there's a student that wanna enter to that school, he can register himself from this website. Yeah. They can choose the PPDB page, and later he can register himself on that PPDB page. After that, we have mosque website. On this mosque website, we have the information of the mosque. After that, the donator of the mosque, and we have also like the schedule for pray, for azan, and sunrise, or sunset. Yeah, in this website is the main point. All of things on this website is like Islamic things. Yeah. Next is Travelin Aja. Travelin Aja is like a website that help us for finding the best deal for our holiday. So later there will be a lot of a cheap ticket for airplane or also maybe for booking a hotel. Later the price is also cheap. I mean for the hotel. Yeah, like I said before, the best deal and the biggest discount for your holiday is in Travelin Aja. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So this website is the best website for your holiday. I mean, the best website for you ordering ticket or booking a room. And next is IoT. And on this IoT, I'm using Arduino IDE. The first project of IoT, I have smart home. Yeah, so this smart home, yes, it's like a normal smart home. So there are some function that can provide us a smart, a smart, a smart, smart function. Yeah. So later, like the example in this project, there will be like stuff that can turning on the lamp with only our voice. I mean, like we just say like turn on, and later the lamp is automatic on. Yeah, like the name smart home. Yeah. After that, maybe like also like a smart there in the smart home. Later there's a door that we can open that door with only with command. Yeah, like same like the lamp. Yeah, we just say maybe like open the door. Later the door will open, yeah, because that's smart. And this is smart home. And the next is greenhouse. Greenhouse is uh, greenhouse is a project that can make your house become health, like the name, a greenhouse. So later there are some IoT structure that can make your house become a healthy house. And next is smart farm. Smart farm, yeah, maybe like similar like smart home. From the title, we know this project or this project is about farm that's smart. Yeah. So later on this farm, there are a lot of smart function that we can set or we can comment all of the function with only from our phone or maybe from our voice. Yeah, the main point, the smart things like we can automatically count the what we call temperature, and we also can see the humidity of this farm. Weather station. Weather station is a function or is a project that that we also need in our society life. I mean, because this project is help us for see the air. Yeah. So later we can see from the screen. So later we can see from the screen, and we can see this air is health or not. Yeah, later this project can see the healthy of the air and other things that connect with air problems. Maybe like we can fix the dirty air with this project, with this weather station. And the next is smart security. So smart security is a project that provide us security IoT structure. I mean, it's like a function that can help us for protecting our house. And yeah, smart security actually is not only in house. We can also use this smart security in our buildings. Yeah. So later, there will be like an alarm that will on if detect someone that enter to our house or our buildings when we are not on that buildings or we are not in our house. And next is Mulmat. I'm using design app. I mean like I'm using Figma, Figma and others. The first is flat illustration. Flat illustration, yeah, as you can see here, we have like illustration, yeah, that I made with Figma. And the next is poster dakwah. I'm also made this poster with Figma. And next is Instagram post, yeah, same like before. I'm also using this Instagram. I'm also using a Figma for making this Instagram post. And next is infographic, yeah, same. I also use Figma for make this infographic. And the next UI app, yeah, same. UI app I also made this project from Figma. Maybe I'll explain first about this UI app. UI app is an application. I mean, UI app is like a design that usually developer need this design because maybe like app developer need a design for his application, and is this the function of UI app. Later, the designer of this UI app can sell or maybe can give this design to the application developer. Next, 3D web design. I also made this on Figma, a 3D web design. This I take the theme of sea animals, and inside of this web, there will be like information of the sea animals, or maybe like sea plant and a lot lah on this website. The main point is about sea, about ocean life. But next, photo manipulation. If photo manipulation, this is like a normal photo that we manipulate. Yeah. There is like some edit in here, like a man that has like a bad perspective on his life. Yeah. Next is 3D object. Even 3D object, I make a rocket and I make a toilet. And I made this project in Tinkercad. And the next is Android. On Android, I made all of this project in Codular and in Flutter. And the first project is Card Name yeah. Card Name is a project that I create based on myself. So the card name, yeah, is my name, yeah, my name after that, my status student and my birth date, and also we have my number, and also there's my number and my projects, my clients and my awards. Yeah, the main point this first project is explain about myself, but with a simple way. And the next is radio app. On radio app, same like a normal radio app. Inside of this application, there will be like some radio that you can hear from Radio Roja and others. But Talk to Me app. Talk to Me application is application that can help us for translating our speak or our voice. So later this application can make it easier when you go abroad. Yeah, so later we just record your voice and you can translate it with this application, and you can give that translation to the foreigners that you wanna talk with him or with her. Next is Find My Age, and this Find My Age application is application that can help an old man or an old woman that maybe forgot about their birthday, yeah, or maybe about their age. So later you can just input your birth year, and later this application that can directly calculate your age. The next is calculate application. Yeah, inside of this application there will be some calculation calculation feature, yes, like from calculator, after that square, rectangle, triangle, and others. Yeah. So on this calculation app, yeah, there are several menu like calculator and others. The next Bitaku application. Bitaku application is an application that can help us maybe like for learning more about Islam. Yeah. Because inside of the application, mostly all of the things inside of the application is an Islamic things. Yeah. From pray, there is zakat, schedule for praying, and also video Islamic lecture that we can watch anytime, anywhere, and everywhere. Yeah, the pray also. And next is my English project. The first English project is my final project. Yeah, inside of this final project, I have 3 videos. The first is my favorite project video. After that, my interview video, and last is my study and project plan video. You can see this final project video on my channel, Jaki Agus Reza Zulfikar. The teacher of the day, and on this teacher of the day, I'm become a teacher in my class. Yeah, of course, teach my friends, and the material or the topic of this teacher of the day is English topic. Yeah, because this English project. I've read mini contest. A mini contest, like the name is like mini contest, Yeah. So on this mini contest, this has several topic of the contest. Several topic of contest. The first, like, we have like a speech. After that, yeah, it's like a mini competition actually. The first is speech, storytelling, debate, presentation, and many more. And the next is podcast final project. If podcast, we take the theme of how to build a startup. Yeah. So like same like a normal podcast. On the podcast we talk about the title. I mean the material that we we want we want to talk about. Even this podcast, yeah, we talk about how to build a startup. And the next is practical exam. Practical exam is like a video that we explain one of public figure that we want to explain. And on this video, I explain Temba Gorimbo. Temba Gorimbo is like an UFC fighter that has a good backstory. Next, short movie. If short movie, is like a short film that I made with my friends, and on this short movie, the theme is about Ria. And next is podcast monthly. Yeah, even podcast monthly, same. Yeah, we talk about something that we choose. I mean the topic because because on this podcast monthly, we need to choose one of our friend for becoming our partner for talking about the theme of that podcast. Yeah. If this the example, the podcast is about Yogyakarta. And the next is speech project. Yeah. If speech project, yeah, like I'm doing speech while I get record for my monthly project. Yeah. And as I remember, this speech is about Tauhid. Yeah. Wait guys, this next verse. I want to wait. Maybe I'll pause first. Nah, next. Before, I'm sorry because my battery is running low. And now we continue. This is my Diniyah project. So the first I have Akidah poster. And on this Akidah poster, I take the theme about Nazar. And next, hadis poster. And on this poster, I take a patient theme. I mean, I take the patient theme, yeah, the theme. I take a patient theme. Okay, yes. The hadis. Next, fikih mind map. The mind map is about fikih, how to take care of jenazah. Yeah, I mean, this poster is about patient, yeah. Next is sirah video. And on this sirah video is about hijrah. So I make like a motion graphic that explain to us about the story when Rasulullah hijrah to Medina. To that, next we move to the achievement. To the achievement, first is the course certificate that I got from Kursus Digital. Is about the basic class of data science. And next, I also have a basic class of REST API with Espresso.js. And yeah, I forgot the main point is about REST API. And next, I also have HTML, basic HTML and CSS course certificate. This I got from Codepolitan. And before, I'm sorry. This certificate is about GitHub. So basic class about GitHub. And the next is a basic class of HTML and CSS. This, as you can see here, HTML and CSS. Right, the next, this is a certificate that I got a silver medal from like a small Olympic. I don't know. Alright, next, this competition certificate that I got from IARC Indonesia is like a robotic competition. Yeah, and the theme of the competition is creative robotic, and I got the third place. Yeah, alhamdulillah. Yeah, yeah. So maybe that's all from me. That's all my project from I was 7th grade until now. I mean until prison. Yeah, that. Yeah, that's all of my project from I was 7th grade until 9th grade. Yeah, now I'm in prison. Yeah, and maybe yeah, that's all. Thank you for all of us, for all of you that listen to me from the beginning of the video until the end of the video. I also say thank you that maybe for some viewers that also stay tuned, that always stay tuned on my channel from I was 7th grade until 9th grade, like my friends this. Duh, I'm also sad. Maybe later if I leave Aiden, I also leave my channel. Yeah. Aduh, aduh, I'm for the sad. Maybe thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.